At this time, it's my great honor to introduce to you the judges for this year's Heiva 2024. In no particular order, please put your hands together for Ke Haulani Shenki, Ratira Pupuori Hitirava, grand winner and champion for this year's Heiva Tahiti 2024. Our next judge, Moana Ura Tihei Ura, stage director of Toakura, grand winner of Heiva Tahiti last year. And the gracious Macau Foster, Ratira Pupuori Kawaniki Poinari, grand winner of Heiva Tahiti 2018 and judges for this year's Heiva. All these judges have judges around the world. They have been chosen to be judges of their own Heiva in Tahiti. So we are very honored to have them be a part of this year's Heiva 2024.
Yorana, manava e maeva ia oto pato I to oto tar amai in e te tahua o San Diego. Te horu horu ne te a au I te itir atu ia oto. No reira, whari mai te ia tap off atau arofa ia orua. Ia oe maeva te metua hoi o San Diego. E ta oe tamahine, o rewa, naro te tiro Tahiti, e te romari te o Lindsay. Maruru me te ia orua, I te whare ira amai a mātou. Maruru ia oto te mau ra atira pupu, I te oto te ar amai. Ma te haa, haa. Ia ti a te parau, ia topa te hau. No reira, maruru, e ia mana te here, nār tui tātou heiva tātou, nār tui te heiva ra I San Diego. Maruru mai te.
At this time, we're going to be now performing the Rahira ceremony. It's an honor to listen to Mekua Pasigoran perform a rado, which she just did. Now the ceremony is an ancient ceremony which has been performed during the Heiva Tahiti for years. Each person is holding a banana leaf, a symbol of peace and respect. Peace and respect from the contestants to all the other contestants who are part of this year's Heiva San Diego. Peace and respect from the contestants to the judges. Peace and respect from the judges to the contestants. Peace and respect from each judge to each other. And peace and respect during the event for all who are here on this year's Heiva San Diego. Rahiri e. Rahiri te vai, rahiri te whenua. E, whaaru e te uri, whaaru e te ino. Whaaru e. Rahiri tātou. Rahiri e. Rahiri e. Rahiri, rahiri e. Rahiri, rahiri e. Rahiri, rahiri, rahiri e. Rahiri, rahiri, rahiri e. Yahura te hura. Ya Heiva te Heiva San Diego.
Great competition in San Diego.
The wrapping of the leaves are wrapped together to seal the peace and the respect that goes with this competition. They will remain on stage to guarantee the values during Heiva San Diego and to the rest of the week as we bless each and every soul who are participating in this year's Heiva 2024. How about a round of applause for the ceremony of the Tahiti to start off this year's Heiva East San Diego?